From 1996 until 2006, 10 years, I'm basically based on my broker's recommendation. So it's
Ah,
just like phone call, he say buy, I buy.
I
Then I
see.
realized that
Ah,
I actually make a big mistake for the past 10 years.
you can choose not to participate, but even though you get results. But what's the reason you want to be
I
active?
treat I treat SMT as a family.
Ah,
So I think it's like brother, sister, we help
ah,
each others. So
yeah.
when father, mother not around, then the brother come
Brother
in.
can't help. Hi everyone. Today we have Terren here today, sharing some of his experience with the SMT course and really what are the things he have learned from the SMT. And so, like, maybe find out from you, like, how do you find out about our SMT class? You joined us in what, COVID, is it or no?
COVID 2020
2020. That was like lockdown period.
lockdown. Yeah.
Okay, then how?
Actually, I come across you. That was the third time.
Third time already. Okay. So when was the first
the
two time?
I think 2013 was the first
Wow.
time I met you. That was
Okay.
the preview somewhere in Raffles Place, the building.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
but
Face to face.
yes,
Okay.
unfortunately I didn't sign up.
Okay.
Uh, it's because I signed up for the other course. For that course, I paid 5,000 already.
Yo, okay. Oh, you paid
so,
the previous
so
course already lah.
made the wrong decision.
Okay. Okay. Oh,
Then
okay.
the second time I met you was just before COVID, which
Okay.
I went to the wrong class on the wrong day,
Oh, is it?
which end up I sit in your class.
Oh, where is that
That
in
was
Raffles Place
in
also?
CMC.
Oh, okay. 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 That was the second time.
Yeah, the second time.
Okay.
Then halfway I say I'm in the wrong
Wrong
class, right?
class.
Like
Okay.
I realize I don't understand.
Okay. 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 Then the third class was during
Then
COVID
that
lah.
was the COVID law. Then
Ah, okay. Okay lah.
that was the lockdown lah. So no viewing, cannot go out.
Okay.
So browse on the Facebook lah. Then saw your Facebook live lor.
Okay, okay.
Then
Wow, that
nothing to
is how
do ah.
many years? 7 years after you first know me lah.
Yeah, I was
Never
late by
too late,
7
never
years.
too late.
Never too late, indeed.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
never too late, never too late. Now it's about
correct.
4 or 5 years
Mm,
already lah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah.
So, when you first started, what was it like? Like, what was your journey? You go during COVID, you hear on Zoom, right? Then you sign up for the.
Yes,
So how was your
yes.
journey like when you started there?
In fact, actually, I was quite successful on the first month.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Okay, okay,
because my class I think was in July,
okay.
and I within 1 month I make back my course fee.
Oh, nice, 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 nice.
Then I celebrate it by donating to the
Oh,
Cancer Society
I
on
think
my
I saw.
birthday.
I think I saw that one. I also posted
Uh,
it. I
I
also
do it
posted
on my
it.
birthday.
Nice, nice, nice.
So yeah, then after that, I practice all the strategy lor, like
Okay,
the position daily,
okay,
the swing daily, but
okay,
swing daily cannot make it.
okay, okay.
Yeah, a lot of
Mhm.
losses trade.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, but
So
then
you tried
probably
different
because I'm
strategy
not
lah.
so experienced.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay,
Then
okay,
subsequently, I think for after about 1.5 to 2 years, then
okay,
I found my direction that I'm more suitable for long term.
okay. So
So most
after
of my
about one
long
or two
term
years
trade,
after your course, after the class,
yes, correct.
okay,
But in
okay.
between, those other strategy got win,
Mm,
got loss lah.
mm, 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 mm,
But
mm, mm.
I find that I'm very comfortable with the position weekly.
Mm, mm, mm.
So I stick to that and
Oh,
quite relaxed.
got it, got it, got it, got it, got
Yeah.
it. So
Mm.
you started with different strategy, trying to find your
Yes,
what
yes,
is most suitable, most suit your temperament.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
But in
So
between, I also try out. I mean,
okay,
as a practice.
okay,
So I
okay,
try out in small position on other still.
okay.
Yeah.
Got it, got it. Other
Mm.
strategy and things like that to
Yeah.
find your main strategy. So
Mm.
what do you think like for students, right, that or people who want to follow your journey, like what are the things that help you to find out what's suitable for you? Is it the result, or is it suit you? You feel better. What is the thing that if people want to follow you?
I think it's not about the result.
Okay.
It's more on the practice, doing it correctly. Because I also tried out not following the system.
Okay.
That
Okay.
means not marking high and
Okay.
enter early.
Okay.
Those are the lesson lah.
Okay. Okay.
kena burn one lah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
so from there learn, and also that I think taking down notes is quite important, because for each trade I note down why I lose money, why I fail this trade, then it's as a reminder for my future trade.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So every trade you will write down what happened lah. So
I note down why I enter, and I note down why I exit, and I note down what is my fail.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And like you mentioned that you also tried not following the system. Is there anything that helped you by not following the system? Then you know that it is good or no good, or do you think everybody must try not following the system first? Do you know what I mean?
I think if you want to try not following the system, your position size must be small.
Makes sense. Okay, makes sense. So you try small
Otherwise,
calls.
not worth not worth the risk.
So you try everything first, lah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, like the position weekly, I'm comfortable. Then my position size can be bigger lah.
Okay.
Anyway, I think the trade size is very important. That is the risk management, which I learned from you.
Okay.
That
Trade size.
that helped me a lot, because
Okay.
before I know you, I also do trading from 1996. I think I burst a lot of accounts.
Okay. Before that, 1996, you start figuring all this already, lah.
Yeah, because basically like no discipline lah,
Got it.
and also greed lah. Very greedy.
Got it.
Yeah.
So you mentioned position sizing. Maybe you want to share like what is your rules of position sizing in terms of is there any rules that you follow?
Yes.
Ah.
So basically, I put based on my entry price minus off my stop loss price. That is my risk.
Okay.
So I use about 5% of my capital for that stock, for that particular counter.
Okay.
Then I calculate 5%. Let's say it's 500. Then I use my $500 divided by the risk. It means the difference between the entry price and the stop loss.
Okay.
That is the number of stock that I will buy lah.
Correct.
Yeah.
This is for short term, or you also apply for your long term, or different way of calculating for long term.
For short term, more
for short term,
I set it on the 5%.
Okay, got it.
For
How about long
long
term?
For long term, I actually enter at quite a low price.
Okay.
So I basically just also have, but my stop loss is much lower lah.
Got it.
Yeah.
You enter at low price. How do you enter at low price? Everybody also want to enter at low price, but how do you enter at low price?
That one I also learned from you.
Okay.
So I zoom out.
Okay.
Out from weekly to become monthly.
Okay.
So I look at the monthly curtain, monthly candle.
Okay.
Then I draw the trend line at the bottom.
Okay.
So whenever the price close to the
Monthly
bottom
channel.
price, then I should look for the position weekly opportunity setup.
Wow. Okay. So you zoom out first, look at the big picture, and then after that go to position weekly for the entry. Oh,
And
interesting.
also selection. I'm very selective. That one I learned from Mark Liu.
Okay. So selection, maybe you can share a bit like how do you select? Is it fundamentals or what? How do you select the stock?
Both fundamental and technical combined.
Okay.
So I think fundamental is based on their earnings, what I call that,
cash flow.
cash flow, positive cash flow, and growth lah. Yeah.
Okay.
Mainly is the growth. I like those that are past 3 years have this earning growth.
Got it. So
Yeah.
past 3 year earning growth plus
Yes.
got value lah.
Yeah, correct.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Then you also combine that with your technicals, like a
Yeah.
long-term channel is
Yeah.
cheaper kind of thing.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
okay.
quite easy lah actually after that.
Yeah,
once
yeah, yeah. It's
once you
easy on
master.
hindsight. It's always easy on hindsight. You look back, actually quite easy, but when you're doing the
Really,
time,
when you
quite a lot of
focus
challenge.
on all these few principles, the trading become very easy.
Mm, mm,
Then
mm,
just okay, for the first 1 year,
mm,
wow,
mm,
trying to figure out. So
mm,
like
mm,
the position daily sometimes because
mm,
didn't zoom
mm,
out.
mm, mm, mm,
So
mm,
see
mm.
the arrow with teeth very happy and go
Mm,
in.
mm, 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 mm,
But
mm, mm.
actually the when you zoom out, actually it's a
Mm.
downtrend.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
Didn't know it.
Got it, got it, got it,
Yeah,
got it. So
yeah.
you mentioned a few things like zooming out is one of the things that
Mm,
is important. Like looking
yeah,
at the trend, zoom out. Second thing
yeah.
was money management. You
Yes,
mentioned money
I
management
think
is
money management very important
very good,
because
very good.
you lose a bit, but
Mm,
it's only a very small portion of your total capital. Yeah.
Understand. So that
Mm,
it's not just emotional. You don't get emotional on the trade. I'm right to say that.
correct,
Okay,
correct, correct.
okay, okay.
Mm,
Very good, very good.
yeah.
And when you started, right, like with me, I just want to find out from you. So is there before that, right, was there any challenge? Just like you mentioned that you started in 1996, 1996. Is there any challenge besides the what you mentioned about position sizing? What was the
Yes.
biggest challenge you faced?
Okay. From 1996 until 2006, 10 years, I'm basically based on my broker's recommendation.
Okay,
And it's basically a gamble.
okay, okay,
I got don't know anything about technical analysis. I
okay.
don't know candlestick. So it's
Ah,
just like phone call. He say buy, I buy.
okay, okay. Every time you say
So
buy, you just follow.
yeah. Then end up I become the sucker
Okay,
because
okay.
when his big client want to sell, he
Ah,
asked me to buy.
wow. You become his exit liquidity lah.
Yeah. So
Wow.
until two 2006, I actually attended Adam
Ah,
Khoo's course lah.
ah,
So
eh,
that's how I learned the candlestick from Adam Khoo.
Adam Cool and
Then,
value
then I
investing.
realized that
Ah,
I actually make a big mistake for the past 10 years.
oh,
Yeah, from there on, then I start doing proper trading.
ah,
Uh, that is good, but I think I didn't control my position size.
okay, okay, okay.
Uh,
So position sizing was something that was, even though learn about all this, like
yeah,
how to do it, but the greed and the fear
correct,
also come in.
correct,
Okay,
correct.
got it, got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe also share about the forex trading
Ah,
because
ah,
I think my technical I build up is from forex trading
okay. That was
because
in where? In
uh
2006 or after that?
2013.
Okay,
That's
2001.
another 10 years. The
Okay, okay,
second 10 years.
okay. Second
So
time.
I learned from Kishore about this forex trading. So
Okay.
in fact I zoom in to even like trade at 1 minute.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
so
Ah,
I make full use of all the technical analysis, the
ah,
trend line,
ah,
MA, all these. So
ah.
that means I one day can trade like a few hundred trades
Tricks. Wow.
in and out.
So
But
it's a journey lah for you. It's like a journey from like listening to a broker to learning a bit of like from Adam Khoo, Candlestick, then
yeah,
going to Forex,
yeah,
then eventually going to SMT. So it's a journey, like it's a process.
yes.
Okay,
But
okay. What is the difference like? Like example, you went for like so many different courses. Like, Adam Khoo, you went for Kishore. What is the difference like when you come into SMT in 2020? Then you start to see success. What is the critical thing in your view?
the the basic change
Mm.
is that my trading becomes systematic.
Ah,
That's
interesting.
the word. That's the word.
Interesting.
No other thing.
Interesting. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
before that, I think I'm not systematic at all.
Got it, got it. For some people who don't know what is systematic, so what do you mean by systematic?
Systematic means that you first is that you use the chart, the like Trader GPS to decide your entry.
Okay,
Then there is a guidance of your exit, and there is also guidance for your stop loss.
okay,
And
okay.
after that, the position size, and you follow on. If let's say you are trading on the position weekly, then you every day morning before the market open, just take a look, check, update. So if like for me, I more check more on the weekend. So I prefer weekly.
Got it, got it.
So I check
100%
once
weekly.
a week my
100%
position.
weekly lah. Correct,
So
correct.
it's very systematic lah. I think from there, yeah.
Okay, okay. So when from like learning TA to learning short term to uh, uh, going to trade GPS, the thing was being more systematic and also finding out your correct time frame, because last time you're saying you're trading 100
Yes.
a day kind of thing, right?
Yes.
Okay, got it, got it. Besides that, like, is there any other things like beside being systematic? Is there anything that from 2020 after SMT, is there any other things that you feel that really help you now that you reflect back? Anything else that helped you?
I think the most the most helpful one is the this Mark Liu lah.
Okay, the course.
Yeah, the ACT course. I
Okay,
think
okay. What about that course that help you to?
that course really trained me to have a very in-depth analysis onto the market in terms of macro and micro.
Okay.
So every first day of the month, I will look at this SMI. Yeah. So then also their software that help me to check the intrinsic value of the stocks. So I know that the stock is undervalued. Then I
So you're
can
more
start
confident to
planning.
buy.
I can start planning my entry lah. So I set up my watch list for based on those, then start monitoring for the entry opportunity. Yeah.
So by combining some of the fundamentals with some of the technicals, that
Yes.
became who you are right now, lah.
Yes. Yes.
Correct, correct. Okay. And want to share like what after that, what was your success? I know you did one very good trade. It was AVGO, right?
Yeah. Correct.
Ah,
AVGO actually because of my wife
okay.
she
Your
worked
wife.
in the company.
Okay, okay, okay.
So I've been helping her to monitor her company share.
Okay, okay.
But I think if I join SMT 7 years earlier,
Ah.
I think now maybe can buy bungalow. Because that time we don't know so
Oh yeah.
she asked me, I say sell So like the share was at $100.
Ah.
She sold quite a lot.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if otherwise, yeah, will be
GCB
quite nice.
already lah.
But it's okay lah. I think no
Yeah.
need to think about so much
Yeah.
So
Okay.
never too late like what you say.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, after I understand the intrinsic value of Broadcom,
Ah.
I stop her from selling and in fact buy more accumulate
Okay.
more
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Okay.
because we see the potential.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it.
The other one is the position weekly until now haven't exit is the Adobe.
Okay. Yeah.
Adobe, I think not Adobe, no. Adobe I exited and re-enter again.
Okay.
This what I call that? Facebook Meta.
Meta. Okay.
Meta, my position weekly still on.
So your Broadcom, how much is it up right now to date, and your Meta, how much is it up right now? Just
Okay.
ballpark lah, ballpark.
Ballpark
Agak lah.
I think for Broadcom is 10 times
10 times
yeah
1,000%.
10 times but using those position that I enter after the position weekly one is 3 times.
Okay, got it.
Before that, already have.
Okay, got it. You enter again. Okay,
Much
got
earlier.
it.
Actually, enter much earlier.
Guys, nice. And how about the meta? How about meta?
Meta now, I check.
Angka lah.
I see. I think Meta 4 times or
4 times. So 400%. Wow, fantastic.
not 4 times. Meta now is 2.5.
2.5 times. Still very good. 200%. 200%.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You have been very active in the community, and besides just like getting results, you have been very active in the community. Is there anything in the community you feel that it helps you or help others or not? Like, is it important to have a community?
Yes.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm active in the community because I can feel as a student that what are the things that I don't know. So after the SMT course, I think most of them they are quite blur lah because the pace is too fast ma.
Yeah.
So and also all the student different standard. So very hard for you to just go slow or go fast.
Correct.
So I decided to help that by posting some of the trade analysts or my how I enter and what is the stop loss, all this to something.
But why you can choose not
tutorial.
You can choose not to participate, but even though you get results. But is it because you want? What's the reason you want to be active?
I treat SMT as a family. So I think it's like brother sister. We help each others. So when father mother not around, then the brother can
help. True. I think that is the power of a community because cannot always be around. So there are people like yourself, like Leo, some of these people coming in to help, to help the rest. Especially those people are new. I think some of them really need a lot of help in things like that.
No special agenda.
Okay.
Truly want to help.
That's really like purpose law, or that's really like going for purpose rather than just going for what's the bottom line and things like that. Some people just don't understand that why you will go and do something. If you're making so much money, what do you teach? Or you're doing so much money, why do you participate? But they don't understand that there may be a purpose that go beyond just money And I think you are someone that is like that not just look at money but really look at why am I on earth for? What are the things I want to contribute and give back? So really that can also inspire even myself. Inspire me to continue to work at it. Very good. So going forward, sorry.
I think like what you say, money is not the most important. I think now for me, I come to 60 this year already.
Okay.
I focus more on health.
What is the distinction you have on health? That's to share with the rest of the community.
Myself, I'm healthy
Okay.
So the checkup shows everything okay. But I think to be happy, I think being healthy is the most important thing. So I do, and also because of COVID, I need to thank COVID actually.
Okay.
Because of COVID, I went to walk in the park. And I realized that I like the nature.
I saw a lot of
I see flowers, I'm very happy. I look at the sky, the blue sky, I'm very happy. So when you're happy, amazingly that you become more healthy.
Correct.
Less sickness.
Correct. I think there was a saying that the highest ROI is really your health. When once you have your health, that will give you the highest ROI ever.
Yes.
So they're correct. And then also extend your time because you have limited time. So by being healthy, extend your time. So Terrence, what is your plan going forward besides like being healthy, managing a portfolio? Is there something that you hope to still achieve? Or you're happy already.
Actually, just
Ah,
enjoying life.
I see lah. You go holiday, holiday, every time holiday also.
Yeah.
That's good.
Great. Great. Next, 1 more week, 2 more weeks, or one
Going
more
to
week.
China, right? You're going China
One
also,
more week
right?
going China already.
I also going China. I think
Yeah.
after you, I'm going China also.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good. That's good. So
Yeah.
it's good lah that you have managed your
Mm.
finances, your trading, your
Mm.
health, your experience.
Mm.
Enjoy life. I think that
Mm.
is really very good. Is there anything you want to share about yourself or your business that you think the SMT community can benefit? Not? Is there any other last words
Mm.
that you want to share with them?
For me is that I'm in property line,
Yeah.
but
Okay.
I think for me I do just now what I do is that I just follow up with my current customer,
Okay.
which has been with me for quite some time. Maybe the longest one is as early as 1990.
Okay.
The
Okay.
customer. So I do sales and rental, but more on resale, not new launch.
Got it. Got it.
Then I also do some on block
Okay.
properties. Yeah, but
So
it's a long
what
journey.
are the tips you want to share? Is there any tips you want to share, like buying resale property or en bloc property? Is there any other things that you think is useful? Key principles that you think is useful?
For property, I think if you're buying for own stay, it's any time.
Okay.
If you want to buy for on block,
Mm.
I think now is a good time
Okay.
because on block will peak maybe 3 years later.
Why? Leh?
So
Why is it?
because
Mm.
because of seller stamp duty.
Oh,
So
because of seller stamp duty. Okay.
if you buy now, 3 years
Ah.
later on block just nice. You
Ah.
will not gonna the seller stamp duty because seller
Okay.
stamp duty first year is 12, second year 8, third year
Okay.
4,
Ah.
4%.
Okay. Got it. Got it. Got
Yeah.
it. But on block sometimes very hard to find, or is there some tricks or that
Tricks
or
It's
hack or
kind
not?
of open secret.
Open secret. I mean, they're always looking at all those like older kind of property and things like that, lah.
Beside that, I think location and land size. We look at land size, and if the land size is big and number of unit is low,
Ah,
that means when it come to en bloc, you split more lah.
so big land
Uh,
size, small
Number of units.
project, small number of units,
Yes.
and good location, lah.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the
Don't tell them the place,
key
but
point for this
go and
one.
research yourself.
Very, very valuable.
Yeah. Actually, yeah lah. Is another play that look for en bloc kind of things.
Yeah, we also look at those owner, how long they hold.
Okay,
So if in the development there are a lot of owner that hold for a long time, basically they are all in very good profit.
got it.
The only problem we face now is they challenge us that if they support the en bloc after selling, how they find the substitute.
Cannot buy lah.
That is a very challenging question now.
Cannot buy because cannot get this size one, right?
Because after en bloc successful,
Ah,
they go and buy, the property went even higher.
yeah. Okay.
So some of the owner refuse to sign because of this.
Because cannot get the size one.
Equivalent. They cannot get the equivalent size for the same price.
Got it. Okay,
But
good.
Singapore so small, the price will go up, property. Although
Long
there's a
term,
cycle, I think there's
yeah.
a cycle.
But long term will still go up.
I've gone through 3 cycles already.
Okay. So,
Cycle.
last question: when is the next cycle to buy, or if you want to invest, is there something that you see in the
For invest, I think coming soon.
coming soon? Akan datang, same
Coming
all
soon.
all waiting.
Coming soon. I'm also waiting.
Okay, all waiting lah.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other things you want to share? Any last things you want to share that you feel is helpful?
I think for those who have not taken the SMT course, I advise them is that please sign up. Then take note, right? And practice more. I think the video that for the class should watch at least 2 times
Okay.
revision
Okay.
because during the course you cannot follow
Correct.
you can't follow, so you might miss out certain part.
Got it.
The recording will help you to catch up whatever that you have missed
Okay.
Oh.
Fantastic.
Mm.
Thank you so much. I think very good
Welcome.
interview. Very good interview. I think we cover almost all the points and all the things we cover. Wow, I didn't know your returns really that fantastic for your
What?
Broadcom one. Your Broadcom one, wow, so good. 10 times.
I say
10x. No, paiseh lah. It's over time. You know, it's not like immediately, right? It's accumulate over time, and that's the result you get.
And also because Broadcom, they pay very good dividend.
Okay. Stable company lah.
Yeah.
Okay. Not thank you very much. Thanks.
Yay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.